Hi everyone, welcome to RC Model Mart. Let's see what we've got in store today. Hi everyone, Modeler Mark here. Another delivery today. This one is for my XK K110. So let's take a look. Okay, I've got the XK K110 heli, smashing little thing, brushless motor for the main engine. But what I found is a lot of issues with the swash and with the gear and the main shaft. I don't know if you can see that, but you get this movement, the slightest knock, and the shaft starts going up and down, and that plays with the head, and then all your levels and everything go out of line. So I just had this come in from AliExpress. I'm hoping that it's the upgraded metal head, swash and main shaft, which should make the whole thing a bit more secure. Originally it was all supposed to be black, but they have notified me to say that the swash is going to be red, so I don't have a problem with that. I was happy if it was all red, but I could only find black on Ali. Let's have a look what we've got, nicely wrapped. And there we are, how sweet's that? One sweet little red swash, the XK, looks really nice. And then this one is actually in an XK packet. I'm thinking that's actually plastic. I was hoping that was going to be a metal one, but it looks like they've sent a replacement plastic one for that. And then the arms, they're also XK parts. They do look like they're upgrades. They do have the bearings in. I'll get them out and have a better look in a moment. And also a shaft, a proper shaft with screws and a bush, a bearing, the shaft. So I'm hoping that's going to be superior to the one that's come as well. I was hoping all of this was going to be metal, but I'm not convinced now that it is. It's certainly up until better when it's out of the base. There it is actually. It's quite sweet. But yes, it's not plastic. Looked it, but it's not. Let's see if I can put that on there, give you a better view. Really nice. So, metal head. Metal swash, so open this one up. Very nice. Very nice, so you can probably see all the bearings in there. See all that. Perfect. And then finally, for now, the arms. Again, yeah, they are metal. I put those on the the white paper so you can see better. They've got the bearing fitted as well, and the ball joint. There's two arms, come with the two screws, swash plate, head, main shaft with bearing and the small screw for the bearing. So I'm hoping that this is going to make the whole XK a whole lot firmer and improve its flight performance. So I had this lot from a store called WG store on AliExpress. I'll put links down at the bottom. And as the bundle to the UK, it's come in about 10 days and cost £22.85p, including postage. Seems really difficult to find these at the moment for a whole set. Very difficult to find the metal headset for the XK. That looks great. What I'll do is I'll get it fitted. Maybe do some video while I'm doing the fitting and the upgrade itself, then show the flight performance. I hope you like my training undercarriage. Still learning with that. It's a little bit light and bouncy where I live, but hopefully I'm getting there slowly. Yeah, so links below, as I say, AliExpress, WG store. They've got it to me eventually. Once we'd sorted out about the red head, once that delay was dealt with, then it's actually got here quite quick, in about 10 days from China. Yeah, great. So I'll follow it up either while I'm fitting it or when I've fitted it to show what the upgrade's like, and hopefully show what the flying is like afterwards. Hope you've enjoyed this, and that's handy for you. Don't forget to do the like and subscribe. It's always useful to support the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye now.